Today, we're cracking open a topic that's been stirring up some debate. Should we eat raw eggs? Spoiler alert, the answer is a big no! And I'm here to explain why. Raw eggs, whether you're adding them to a protein shake, cookie dough, homemade ice cream, or just for a day, might seem like a quick and easy choice. But before you take that next raw sip, let me share 4 important reasons why you should think twice about it. First up, the biggie, Salmonella, the type of bacteria that can hide in raw eggs, even when they look and smell perfectly fine. It's actually one of the most common causes of foodborne illness, and eggs are a major source. The tricky part is you can't tell if an egg is contaminated just by looking at it. When you consume raw eggs contaminated with Salmonella, you're risking some serious food poisoning. The symptoms can be pretty rough. Think intense nausea, vomiting, painful abdominal cramps, diarrhea, even fever. In severe cases, it can lead to dehydration, hospitalization, and in rare instances, it can be life-threatening, especially for young children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. So the next time you're tempted to crack a raw egg in your smoothie or make homemade mayo without cooking the eggs, remember the risk might not be worth the reward. Did you know the CDC estimates about 1.35 million cases of Salmonella infections each year in the US alone? And yes, raw or undercooked eggs are a major culprit. But this isn't just a problem in the US. In the UK, the Food Standards Agency reports about 33,000 cases of Salmonella annually, often linked to eggs. And across Europe, the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control estimates that about 91,000 cases of Salmonella infections are reported each year, with many tied to contaminated eggs or eggs products. It's a widespread issue, and it's clear that the risks are significant no matter where you are. Next, let's be honest, raw eggs aren't exactly a treat for your taste buds. They're slimy, gooey, and often leave you with an unpleasant, lingering aftertaste. Sure, some people might tolerate it for the supposed health benefits, but why settle for an unappetizing gulp of raw egg when you could be enjoying a warm, delicious, and satisfying meal instead? Picture the fluffy, creamy goodness of scrambled eggs, the silky smoothness of a perfectly poached egg, the rich, savory flavor of a fried egg with crispy edges, or the simple yet comforting taste of a soft-boiled egg with a dash of salt. Why force yourself to swallow something slimy when there are so many mouth-watering options to choose from? Now, let's talk about nutrition, because this is where it gets really interesting. There's a common misconception that raw eggs are somehow more nutritious than cooked ones. Some people believe that by eating them raw, you're preserving all the nutrients intact. But guess what? That's actually not the case. Cooking eggs doesn't destroy their nutritional value. In fact, it enhances it. When you cook eggs, certain nutrients become more accessible and easier for your body to absorb. That's bioavailability. Take protein, for example. Eggs are a powerhouse of high-quality protein, but in their raw state, your body can't fully tap into that muscle-building goodness. Studies show that the protein in cooked eggs is much more digestible, which means that your body can absorb and utilize it far better than when the eggs are raw. So, by cooking your eggs, you're actually maximizing the amount of protein your muscles can use, which is great news if you're looking to build strength and recover from a workout, or just maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. Now, let's dive into something that most people don't know about raw eggs. A little protein called Avidin, a natural component found in egg whites. And while it's completely harmless in cooked eggs, it becomes a bit of a troublemaker when eggs are consumed raw. Here is the science behind it. Avidin has a strong and almost stubborn affinity for a crucial B vitamin called biotin. Biotin isn't just any vitamin. It's essential for a wide range of metabolic processes. Keep your body running smooth. We're talking about everything from the health of your skin, hair and nails, to energy production, and even the metabolism of fat, carbohydrates, and proteins. But here is a catch. When you eat raw eggs, the avidin in the egg's white binds tightly to biotin like a magnet, preventing your body from absorbing these vital nutrients, making it inaccessible to your system. Over time, if you're consuming a lot of raw eggs, this can lead to biotin deficiency. And trust me, that's not something you want to deal with. Biotin deficiency can manifest in some pretty unpleasant ways. Hair thinning, brittle nails, skin rashes, even neurological symptoms like depression, chronic fatigue, and a general sense of malaise. But before you start worrying, here is the good news. Cooking eggs is your simple and effective solution. When you cook eggs, the heat breaks down the avidin, neutralizing its ability to bind to biotin. This means your body can freely absorb the biotin it needs without any interference. Cook eggs equals more biotin for your body, and that's a win-win for both your health and your taste buds. Well, that's it for today. If you've learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more of these nutrition facts, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so you never miss out. And here is a little teaser. In one of my next videos, I'll show you how to use egg whites in a delicious dessert that you won't want to miss. So yes, you want to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, mes amis. À bientôt.